Good morning students. Here we are solving the sum questions of string. So the question number first is input a string from user and print the string in the following format. Suppose the input string is a Mohan Das Karamchand Gandhi. So the output should be m.d.k.c.gandhi. So first all the should be print initials and last surname will be print in full. So here the class demo void input, or we can also take a public static void main string args, and we can input from the scanner also string word character ch integer I equals 0, I is less than equal str dot length. So this will go from starting to end. We are extracting a one character from the ith position. If the character is not equal to space, then we will add this character into words. So the first character will be according to above string m, the next MOHAN. So if the condition will be true, if condition will be true, so word will be complete. After the Mohan, when the space will come, then this will come on the else portion. And here we are printing word dot caret of 0. So this will print the 0th yani ki m character on the screen, and there will be a dot and a space. Then we will empty the word. Next, again the next word we will make. So the word will be DAS. Again that the space will become, so this will come on the else portion. So this will continue till the last. So when the Gandhi will be completed, and after that there is the no space, because the initial will be print when the space will come. So this will exit from the loop and come on the next statement. So here we are printing the word, so this will complete, print the word in front of the initial, so this will print a Gandhi. Now the next question is I input a string from a user and print this string in the following format. Suppose the input string is a computer. So the output string will be E, Q, O, R, W, V, Z and T. So we are forwarding two character next in this string. And this may be in capital or small letter. If the input string is a Azad, then the output will be C, B, C, F. If Z will be there, so this will be circulate in next circular form. So after Z there will be a and B. So here this is the solution for that. Class demo void input, or we can also take a public static void main string args, and from which we will input from the user in the form of a scanner. And now we are taking the character ch integer I. So this is starting from 0. I is less than equal str dot length I plus plus. So the first character will be extract, then we will check. If the character is a capital Z, then we will print capital V, and the printing statement we will use only the system.out.print. So if the input character is a small z, then the output will be V. Character is capital Y, then output is capital A. Character is small y, then output is small a. Otherwise this will be 2 will be add in that. So this will be first add in the ASCII value, and then automatically cast into character. So this will print the 2 character next. So all the characters of this string will be next forward 2 characters. Now the next question is input a string and print the largest word or longest word of the string. Suppose the example is human resource department, so the output will be department. Now here class demo, and we are taking a function is here public static void main string args string str string, and so that we are taking here the object of scanner class. Enter a string str equal sc dot next line. So this will take a string complete sentence with spaces. We are taking here the one variable for word and one for maximum word, character ch and integer I. Now we are adding here the one space at the end, because the word will be completed when the space will come. So the loop will start from the 0. This will go till the last I plus plus. So the first character will become, then second, then fourth, each time the condition will be if true, such as the in case of the human, so H will become first. So if condition will be true, HUMAN, so the word will be completed. After the M there will be the space, so this will come on the else portion. If the word dot length, so first case word dot length will be greater, we call the max is the empty this time, so the word will be shifts into max and the word will be empty. When the next word is a resource, so this will come on the else portion. So the resource is length is greater than the max length. In the max there is a human, so that will be replaced with the latest word resource. Similarly this will go to the last. If the next word will be greater than the max word, then this will be replaced by that, and at the end we are printing here the longest word equal max.